Arda Cakrasan, come to Sthiti, legs together, hands by the side of the body. This is Tadasana, ready to do. Okay. Now, one, take your both palms on the waist region. Your fingers are pointing forward. Partial inhale. Two, full inhale. Slowly push your back forward. Observe the lower stomach, middle stomach, upper stomach, chest region. Then your head is freely hanging. In the normal breathing, you should maintain Sthiram Sukham Asanam. You are getting the enjoyable pain more than one region, 3 or 4 regions. Okay, if you are suffering abdominal disorders, you should focus on the abdomen. If you are suffering with lungs disorders, you should focus on the lungs. If you are suffering on the neck region, you should focus on the neck, like that. Okay, teen, inhale, slowly come to standing position, and char, exhale, slowly release the hands. Just relax in Shitila, Dandasana. Now the type of the asana is the standing asana, category is the cultural, counts are the 4, complementary posture is the Padahastasana. Because this is the backward bending posture, the complementary of this asana is the Padahasta asana. Benefits: makes the spine flexible by bending back, beautiful massage to your back, makes the spine flexible and enhance the blood flow to your backbone, back nerves, back muscles, strengthen your backbone, strengthen your back nerves, strengthen your back muscles. And if you are suffering with back pain, moderate back pain, immediately relief. If there is any excess fat at your waist region and also back, reduce the fat also. Only makes the spine flexible given in your textbook. Okay, stimulate the spinal nerves, already I explained. Circulation of the blood into the head. So by bending back, there is no blood circulation to your head. You release the asana. When you are in the relaxing posture, then the heavy blood flow to your head region. Therefore, you can say any head related benefit. Enhance the blood flow to your head region. Therefore, your brain should be refreshed, mind should be calmed down, releases the happy hormones, serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, endorphin, melatonin. In the same way, reduce the cortisol, stress hormone, adrenal, makes your mind and peace calm. And it is the stress buster, anxiety buster, depression buster. Okay, and release the headache, migraine, improve the functioning of your pituitary gland, which is the master gland. Therefore, overall endocrine system stimulated. Every benefit you can say. So this is the my knowledge. You can read a number of books, or you can search in the Google. You will get the number of benefits. Next, strengthen the neck muscles by bending back. Strengthen the neck muscles. What happens? Strengthen the neck muscles by bending back. Beautiful massage to your neck muscles. Enhance the blood flow to your thyroid and parathyroid glands. Therefore, improve the functioning of your thyroid and parathyroid glands. So, what happens? Automatically thyroid and parathyroid glands releases the hormones T3, T4 hormones in proper way. Therefore, it is highly beneficial those who are suffering with thyroid disorders. Okay. Expand chest and shoulders. Expand the shoulders. Expand the chest. What happens through the expansion of the chest? You know. So improve the breathing, your lung, enhance the blood flow to your lungs. Therefore, it's the highly beneficial those who are suffering with asthma, lungs allergy, running nose, cough, cold, etc., etc. So by bending back, beautiful massage to your abdominal organs. All the abdominal organs, especially important organs, stimulate. What are the important organs? Pancreas, spleen, liver, kidneys, large intestine, small intestine. All organs are stimulated, especially pancreas stimulated. When the pancreas stimulation, then releases the insulin in proper way, reduce the sugar levels in the blood. It is highly beneficial for type 2 diabetes people. Okay. And improve your digestion, removes the constipation, improve your bowel movement,
Yes.
reduce the IBS, release the dyspepsia. There are so many benefits as there. So you can teach any benefits as per my knowledge. Now, limitation. Cardiac problem people should not do. Severe. Recent abdominal surgery, this is the common contraindication. Vertigo. Vertigo means tala tirigadam. Giddiness. They people should not practice this asana. Limitation. Key points. All the fingers pointed forward. Like you take the fingers pointing forward. Okay. Wrist as close as possible. Okay. Wrist joints close as you possible. Elbows are close as possible. Both backside elbows at least maintain parallel. Okay, knees straight, head hanging freely with relaxed neck muscles. When you are bending back, your head hanging freely, no tighten, no tension at your head region with relaxing neck muscles. Okay, bend from the waist region. When you are bending back, bend from the waist region. So these are the key points, right?